how to add the smoky effect or simply just smoke effect on the video you are editing using the YouCut Video Editor app. As always, make sure you have the latest update and let's get started. To add the smoky effect on the video you are editing, first to the bottom area, you want to go to where it says effect right down here. And as you are here in this bottom section, you will see where it says mood. So go to that, and that's where you would most likely find it. So you just go ahead and navigate until you see smoky. Now, of course, selecting it will have it load up for you, and then you'll be able to long press it until it appears on your video. So just go ahead and do that, and you'll notice how it's appearing on your video. And you can go ahead and release it now and press the check mark. Now, if you want to increase the time duration as to how long this smoky effect plays in your video while this is being shown here, go ahead and pull this and pull it going across like that. And that, my friends, is how the smoky effect will be added onto the video you are editing, okay? And of course, if you don't like it, you can always tap on it and delete it, or perhaps replace it with another effect if you do so, or reduce the duration as to how long it plays in your video. It's up to you how you want to do it, but that's how and where you would go to find it. Like and sub.